high school at Lapu-Lapu.
Section E na lang.
Section E.
Sige, nakoy question.
Yes.
What are your names?
So my name is Marie Mansala, Impas Mansala, Adam Marie.
Ikaw.
My name is Ariana Grande from Section Lapu-Lapu.
Ikaw. Ikaw, Jim.
My name is Kisha Cabanona. Marie Jem.
So, I don't know my name, sorry.
ASMR.
Nameless.
Ay, Marie. Isa. Parang, Kwan. What do you feel right now?
I'm feeling hot.
Orges.
I'm in heat.
Balik sa palaman. Kanang, what do you feel na hapit na mahuman ang grade 10?
Wala guys, norms. Hi guys. Nag-worry ko kay magbuak na ni Kadis yung ingawan mo si Kadis. I feel sorry for him. Sorry Kadis.
Hindi siya tiguang
Gog. Hilarious.